Not just a product, an experience wrapped in elegance. A gift that speaks without words. Crafted for the ones who care. All in one 16-piece kit. Start fast with the included guide. Everything you need for premium leather care. Start with any step. It all depends on your leather. Large horse brush, powerful yet gentle. Small horsehair brush, detailed care, precise clean. Deep clean with subtle syrup, lift dirt and revive. Condition with mink oil, restore softness and strength. Shine with shoe polish, add color and depth. From polish to wipe, every cloth with a purpose. Soft towel for wiping away excess. Smooth cloth for a flawless polish. All in one 16-piece kit. Feel refreshed, like no look. Shoe polish, mink oil and saddle syrup, all with water-resistant protection. Ready for a new shine? Try the yellow shoe polish kit today.